Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a yummy smoothie with pineapple, mango and banana. So before I start this video, remember to subscribe to my channel, check out my other videos, and remember to like, share and comment. Comment. Tell me what you think about my other recipes and what you would like to see me make. Alright, so I have here cut up in this bullet of mango, Julie mango, 2 slices of pineapple. I have a ripe banana that I'm gonna be adding it to the blender. Right, let me show you what I'm doing. I'm gonna add that. I'm gonna add my yogurt. This is the fruit yogurt. You can add whichever yogurt you prefer. Alright, gonna add some coconut water, just a little to make, just a little, and I'm going to add this amount of flaxseed. Cube ice, 2 cube ice. I'm gonna cover. Get these out the way, and I'm going to blend. There we have it, guys. All done. Look at it. Yummy smoothie. Yummy. I have some ice here, so I'm gonna just add it to it. Wow, that looks delicious. Let me taste it. This is yummy, guys. This is so yummy. So yummy. Let me get a straw. So yummy. I have pineapple, mango, ripe banana, some flaxseed, coconut water and yogurt. So yummy. So you can go ahead and try it, guys. You will love it. So good, guys. I have to add some more. So good. Got it. So yummy, so yummy. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Alright, see you in my next video. Bye. So good.